Hi, I'm Trina Sims of Green Star Herbs, and today I'm going to talk about some bowel cleansing herbs and a few other items. Now, many times you'll find herbs like senna or cascara sagrada recommended for bowel cleanse. Both of these can be very, very harsh. They can promote violent bowel movements as well as some pain and cramping, and I recommend that those and others like them only be used under supervision. Some gentler approaches include adding psyllium seed husk to your diet or adding soaked chia seeds. You want to be sure to soak the chia in some sort of liquid, juice, water, tea, whatever is fine if you're going to use them to promote bowel health. Other things you can add to your diet, remember Granny was right. Roughage and fiber is very, very important to bowel health. So fruits and vegetables are your friend. Most particularly apples in any form. Whole unfiltered apple juice, apple sauce, whole apples, or even a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 6 to 8 ounces of water every day. If you're going to use the vinegar, please remember to rinse your teeth afterwards. Another top-notch aid in bowel cleansing are dried plums, used around the world for this purpose, and peaches, which can also help moisten and move a bowel and keep it clean. In addition, a warm bath and gentle abdominal massage can also help keep the bowel moving and in good health. I hope you've found this information to be helpful. Thank you.